Hi all, welcome to the Data Monk, where we bridge the gap between students and their jobs. For today's interview question, we have write a Python program to split the array and add the first part of it to the end of it. So, in this question, we are going to cut an array and take the starting part and put it at the end. Let me show you an example. Let us assume we have an input as such. The given array is 12, 10, 5, sorry, um, then then 5, then 9, then 38, then 62. It is a random array, okay? And then we have to make, we have k is equal to 2, which is the number of elements that we have to cut from the start and paste at the end of the array. Then we should be getting the output as, the output will be array is equal to, just bring this first, leave these first two elements and get the rest of the elements as it is in the array. Then at the end we will paste the first two elements, that is 12 and 10. This should be our final output. This is how this program will run, and this is what we call split the array and add the first part to the end. Let us write the code for it. So first of all, let us write the main driver code for that, in which we will define an array. Let's take another array for the example here. Array is equal to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. This is our array for the question. Then let us give a variable n, which will be the length of the array. Length of our initial array, that is ARR. After that, we have to give the variable position as 2, because we need to go up to 2 positions. Then we will create a function for doing our splitting and pasting the code at the last. So for that, let us call the function split array and send some parameters, that will be the array, then the length of the array, and then the position up to which we have to slice the array. Now that we have done this, we will let us write the code for the function. So we may already know that the code for the function should be before the main function. Now let us define the function. For that we will use def split array and then receive the parameters here, that is the array, the length and the position in k. In that we will use a for loop ranging from 0 to k, which will be as follows. For I in range brackets 0 comma k, in this we will assign x to be array of 0, the first position of array. Then we will use a nested for loop that will be looping on the variable j in range 0 to n minus 1, which is our length. So then we assign array of j the value as array of j plus 1, which will move all the elements to the left by one bit, one place. After this loop will end, we will give the position of array of n minus 1, which will be the last element of the array, as x. The value of x will be transferred to last position of array. Now let's take an overview of all that we have done. First we have created an array, then we have taken the length of the array in n variable, then we have inputted the amount of the position of where we have to cut the array, then we have called the function split array with the parameters array, the size of the array and the position where it needs to be cut. Inside the function we have taken inputs from the call. Using the for loop, we have first given the value of index 0 to x, then we have taken another for loop which will loop from 0 to n minus 1, which is the whole array. And it does what it does is it brings all the elements to the left by one place. After this loop ends, we take the value of x and put it into array of n minus 1, which is the last position of the array. Now, after we have done all this, let us print the output. Or when we run this, we do not get any output because we do not have any print statement. So at the last, we will write a print statement to print out the resultant array. For that, we will use a for loop, which will iterate over the range 0 to n. And then the print statement, array of I comma end is equal to, this end is only so that the elements are written next to each other, not on the new line every time. So let us run this code now. Pressing Ctrl Enter, we get the output as 25, 30, 40, sorry, 25, 30, 35, 40, then 15 and 20, because we have taken two positions and brought it back. First, let us print the initial array. So this will be print. See, this is our initial array 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. After the execution of this program, we get the output as 25, 30, 25, which was on third position, we get on the first position. So the program is successfully executed and the first two positions are cut and pasted at the end of the array. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the Data Monk. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.